Okay guys, spring is near and gotta get ready for that yard work. And we're going to sharpen the blades on this GreenWorks 40 volt lawnmower.
We've had for 3 years.
Going on 4.
Maybe it's going on 4 years.
4 years. So in Florida you have to mow almost all year round. And depending on how you water in the winter, it could be hectic. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get into this.
He's going to grind it.
You're not going to grind it? Okay, so when you're wanting to sharpen the blades, you don't need a grinder, but it does make it easier. So I use this Hitachi grinder, and then I'm going to use a socket wrench. This one is a 15 millimeter, is the size of the nut for the 2 blades this has. Be sure that it doesn't start. If you are doing a conventional lawnmower pull start, you're probably good. But with an electric motor or electric lawnmower, take the battery. Now let's flip it over and see the underside. Don't look at that, it's a little dirty. So when you take off the blades, you've got to hold it. And if it's really tight, you might want to get a screwdriver in here to hold it that way. And then we're going to loosen it, take it off. But on this one, I didn't need the screwdriver, but if I was going to use one, I put the screwdriver right here to hold it in place. And then the blade simply comes off. So, if you're worried about grinding the blades and holding the blade, put it in a vise or take a C-clamp and lock it down to a workbench. But done this before and haven't lost any fingers from it yet. Maybe this will be that video. So when you finish, your blade would look about like this. Make sure that you don't have any large looking areas. It all looks really thin here. It doesn't have to be razor sharp when you're doing it, because it's just going to cut grass and it's spinning at higher RPMs. And if it's too sharp, it'll just dull quickly. So now I'm going to stick this on. Also, I'm leaving a link to that grinder below if you want that. But it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to stick this on. The reason you can't sharpen them with it on is because the sharp edge is on the inside, and so it sucks the grass up as you're cutting it. You wouldn't want to blow your grass down trying to cut it. When you're putting this on, make sure that these pins are in here, and then there's a groove in here to get that in there right. If not, your blade's never going to tighten. Now rinse and repeat. As you noticed, when I tighten these, they both go in different directions. One's counterclockwise and one's clockwise, depending on which way the blade turns. You'll notice the way the blade turns this way, so it's going to loosen the other way, whereas this one turns this way. And if you're interested in this grinder, see links down below. I've used this a lot for welding projects, simple maintenance, cleaning up stuff. I put this through its paces, along with this lawnmower. I'll leave a link down below for it as well. So, put the battery in, ready to mow. So so it's just that easy to sharpen your blades on your lawnmower. There's no need to buy new ones every year. Just a $40 or $50 grinder and a socket wrench. Good to go.
Budget friendly.
And if you're interested in this lawnmower, I'll also leave a link to it below. 4 years, not a problem. Cut the grass. Haven't bought any new batteries for this, just the ones it came with. And I haven't had a problem. So, guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. Looks like this. And if you want more notification than that, be sure to hit that bell. Really alerts you to new action happening.
Yeah. Ding.
Also check out dininginwithdanielle.com for all the latest and greatest recipes. Or you can go to chrisdoeswhat.com, goes to the same spot. And you can also check out things that I tried to create on there. Now, my grammar isn't what it used to be, or it's better than it used to be, if you ask my English teacher from back in the day. So, y'all check it out. And please take care.